uDudu Myeni wenqabile ukuphendula eminye imibuzo ethinta iSAA ngelithi usaba ukushushiswa yiNPA. Utshele iKhomishana ukuthi uzosebenzisa ilungelo lakhe lokuthula engaphenduli. Lokhu kwenzeke nakuba ithimba labameli bakhe liqinisekise iKhomishana ukuthi angeke kwenzeke lokhu. UMyeni wenqabe ukuphendula wabeka isizathu sokuthi iKhomishana isebenzisane neUthe kanye nenhlangano yabashayeli bezindiza eSAA ukuhlanganisa ubufakazi ngaye. Wathi iSAA yasebenzisa imiqulu yale Khomishana enkantolo ukuze imthathe njengomuntu owehlulwa umsebenzi.
Uthe collaborated with the Commission and got all the documents and the questions that are contained in all the letters that I received from the Commission. Uthe is a private organization, and Uthe was able to use all what is contained on the documents that I'm expected to answer today. And they relied on the information that they got with the watermark of the Commission, all their documents. It was not a hidden thing.
Usihlalo weKhomishana umehluleli uRaymond Zondo ucacisile ukuthi amadokodo ale Khomishana yinto ekhishelwa umphakathi uma ufakazi esevelile kuyo. uDudu Myeni unindwe ofakazi abaningana kule Khomishana malungana nezinto azenza ezazingafanele ngesikhathi esengusihlalo webhodi leSAA.
Final submission, if I may. Even if, unbeknownst certainly to me, Chair, and it appears to you, somehow documents got from the Commission to Uthe in the Uthe trial, that is not a basis to invoke the privilege against self-incrimination. The law says there's a very particular test that must be applied, and we submit to you, Chair, that's the test that should govern today's proceedings.
Ukuke kwaba nokubambezeleka kule Khomishana ngenxa yezobuchwepheshe.